So there's a tremendous amount of new keto snacks and foods coming on the market, and I highly suggest you start reading the ingredients and avoid these ingredients, okay? Corn fiber, okay? First of all, it's GMO, and it creates a lot of gas. Maltodextrin, which I'm surprised they call this keto-friendly because it's over 100 on the glycemic index. It's like, it turns into sugar faster than sugar turns into sugar. I think sugar is only like 65. This is over 100, okay? Dextrin, Dextrose, Polydextrose, these are synthetic sugars. Maltitol, which is very high on the glycemic index. Soy protein isolates, GMO. Then we have Splenda, which I did a whole video on that. I put a link down below, you can check it out. And artificial sweeteners like aspartame, things like that. And then we have the tapioca starch, which turns into sugar pretty quickly. And also realize that there are many other ingredients, including sugar alcohols, that are in so-called keto-friendly foods, which are going to give you digestive problems. So the best way to identify those is just to see how they affect your digestion. If you're having gas or bloating, avoid them. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. All right, guys, see you later. All right, I'll see you in the next. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll see you later. All right, guys, I'll see you later. All right, guys, I will see you later. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. I'll see you later.